Filing a vehicle damage claim under your collision coverage and your rates. Are you concerned that your insurance rates will rise if you file a vehicle damage claim under your collision coverage? Automobile insurance can be painfully high, and in some circumstances, some people are concerned about making a claim after their vehicle has sustained damage. The concern usually revolves around their insurance rates increasing, and it is likely that this may occur, but the good news is the increases do not tend to be based on you having filed a claim. Insurance companies tend to base their rates on a number of different factors, and these can include where you live, the type of car you were driving, how old the primary driver was at the time of the accident. However, your driving record will be what affects how much you pay for your insurance coverage. If you are involved in an accident, your insurance company will take a look at your driving record and see if there have been any previous accidents and violations. The information they find will determine whether your rates are increased. If your driving record is a particularly bad one, the insurance company may cancel your insurance and refuse to sell you any ever again. The fact that you were involved in a car accident will have more impact on your rates than any claim that you make. Please take a look at the terms and conditions of your collision coverage so you know where you stand, and whether you may have to pay more for your vehicle insurance. If you have sustained an injury due to being involved in a car accident that was another driver's fault, please speak to a personal injury lawyer because you may have a personal injury claim.